today's topic is human circulatory system, that is human cardiovascular system. We all know that heart is the pumping organ, which is the major organ responsible for the pumping of the blood throughout the body. The other parts of the cardiovascular system are the blood vessels, arterioles, veins, capillaries. Lungs also play the major part in the circulation of the blood. The adult body, the adult human body contains the 4.7 to 5.7 liters of the blood, approximately of 7% of the total weight. The digestive system also help into the circulation of the blood, which gives the nutrition to the body to form the energy. There are the major functions of the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is the organ system which passes the nutrients such as the amino acid, electrolytes, lymph, gases, hormones to the blood, to the cell, and from the cell help to the fight against the disease and maintain the pH, homeostasis, and the body temperature. The blood contains the three main cells, that is the white blood cells, red blood cells, and the platelets. The blood circulates the proteins and the nutrients throughout the body to the every cell. The red blood cells contain the protein called as the hemoglobin, which contain the oxygen. Every body requires the oxygen, every cell of the body requires the oxygen to form the energy. The WBCs are also important for the fight against the diseases and the infection. The platelets are important for the blood clot that helps to avoid the blood loss when the injury happen. The carbon dioxide is also eliminated, which is the waste product by the heart or this pumping process of the heart. There are the systemic circulation, coronary circulation, and the pulmonary circulation is present. Into the systemic circulation, the blood throughout the body is come into the heart, which is deoxygenated blood. The right ventricle pumps the deoxygenated blood into the lung, and lungs gives the oxygenated blood to the left atrium, and left ventricle pumps the blood which is oxygenated throughout the body. Now let's talk about the anatomy of the heart. Heart is the four-member structure which is made up of the cardiac muscles. There is the presence of the AV node and the SA node, these and the Purkinje fibers. All these are responsible for the pumping of the heart. The heart contains the four chambers, that is the right atrium, right ventricle, which is separated by the septum. Into that the tricuspid valve is present, and left ventricle and the left atrium, which is separated by the bicuspid valve. There also a semilunar valve also present. When the deoxygenated blood is come from the different parts of the body, which goes into the left which goes into the right atrium from the superior and inferior vena cava. When this blood goes into the right ventricle, the heart pumping is happen. The left ventricular blood is goes into the left ventricular blood goes into the lungs through the pulmonary artery, and that pulmonary artery pumps the oxygenated blood into the left atrium. The left atrium blood is goes into the left ventricle, and the thickness of the left ventricle is greater than the right ventricle, because the left ventricle pumps the blood throughout the body, which is oxygenated blood. Hence, force of the contraction to the pump to the heart is required high. Hence, the thickness of this wall is greater. There is the biggest aorta present